Assalamu alaikum. I am Kamul Hassan on behalf of Kalukhali Upazila online class. Dear learners, hope that you are well and staying at home in this period. Dear learners, I am going to take a class on speech. In our previous class, we have discussed about the basic of speech or narration. Today, I am going to take a class on assertive sentence. So, look at the screen. He says, I shall go. The indirect speech of this sentence is, she says that she will go. And another sentence, you will say, I am ill. You will say that you are ill. So the learners, we have bear in mind in changing indirect speech. If the reporting verb is present or future, if the reporting verb is present or future, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. The rule is, if the reporting verb is present or future, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. Here is the sentence, he says. It is present tense. So, the verb in the reported speech shall here is not changed at all. Here we use will for she. And another sentence, you will say, I am ill. The reporting verb here is in future tense. So, you will say that you are ill. Here also, are or am is not changed and it is the same tense here. So, the rules, if the reporting verb is present or future, the tense of the verb in the reported speech is not changed at all. So, dear learners, please note it on your khata so that you can understand the rule easily. And the learners, he said, I am ill. He said that he was ill. Rita said, I shall buy a new dress. Rita said that she would buy a new dress. The rules are, if the reporting verb is past tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech should be changed into the corresponding past form. So, dear learners, the first sentence, he said, the verb said is the past form we know. So, when we change it indirect, we use here was instead of am. We use here was instead of am. And the second sentence, Rita said, I shall buy a new dress. Rita said that she would buy a new dress. Here also said, and it is past form. So the rule is, if the reporting verb is past tense, the tense of the verb in the reported speech should be changed into the corresponding form. Is it clear? Okay, dear learners, please write it on your exercise book. The steps to change the assertive sentence. When we change the assertive sentence into indirect, we have to follow this sequence. At first, a reporting verb said to will be changed into told. Firstly, we have to change the verb of reporting speech. Said to will be changed into told, and then we have to use conjunction, and that is used as conjunction instead of inverted comma. And then we have to change the person. We know in our previous class, we know that the person is changed in this way. The first person will indicate the subject of the reporting speech, and the second person will indicate the object of reporting speech, and the third person will not change. And then change of verb or tense, and then change of adverb. If there is any adverb, today, tomorrow, yesterday, etc., then we will change them. So dear learners, it is very important to know these rules to change the assertive sentence into indirect speech. First, you have to use told instead of said to, and then conjunction that instead of inverted comma, then person, then verb, and then adverb if any. The learners, in our previous class, we have mentioned the verb, how to change in case of changing indirect speech. So today I also mentioned here, if the verb is present form or do, does, or uses any s or yes after the verb, in case of indirect speech we use did or V2. If the sentence have am, is or are, we will change them into was or were. And if the sentence having have or has, we will change them into had. And if the sentence having did or verb V2, then we will change them into had. Was or were also changed into had been, shall, should, will, would, can, would, may, might, must, will be changed into had. So dear learners, we have also some sentences which are universal. Suppose the teacher said to the students, the moon gives us light at night. So dear learners, it is universal. So if the sentence is universal, the teacher told the students that the moon gives us light at night. So dear learners, look at the board. We change said to and use told instead of said to, and then conjunction that instead of inverted comma. But if the sentence or a statement is universal, we will not change the statement or sentence. So we have to use the moon gives us light at night. Similarly, mother said to me, the earth moves round the sun. We also changed it in this way. Mother told that the earth moves round the sun. So dear learners, when we will change the sentences which are assertive, we have to bear in mind that firstly we have to change said to into told, and then conjunction that instead of inverted comma, and then we will change the person and then verb, and if there are any adverb we have to change. Suppose I say to my friend, you have made a mistake yesterday. I told my friend that. Here you is second person, so you indicate the object of reporting speech. So here that he have will be changed into had made a mistake yesterday will be changed into the previous day. Previous day. Today also change into that day. So look at the board. Rupa said to her mother, I am well today. Well today. So Rupa will use told her mother, and then will use that I is first person. So I indicate the subject of reporting speech, Rupa, that she was well, and adverb today is converted into that day. That day. So dear learners, in changing assertive sentence into indirect speech, these are the rules. Firstly, if the reporting verb is present tense or future tense, we will not change the verb of the reported speech. But if the verb is past tense, we will change the verb of reported speech into corresponding form. So, dear learners, again follow the sequence what we have to use in changing assertive sentence. Firstly, we have to use told instead of said to, then that instead of inverted comma, then person, then tense or verb, and then adverb if any, যদি, if any. So dear learners, I hope that if you follow this sequence, you will be able to change the assertive sentence into indirect easily and perfectly. So thank you very much for today. We will meet the next class. For this time, stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much.